Picture this, you're in the zone. Maybe you're hitting a PR at the gym, or you're just deeply focused on work with your favorite playlist on. The bass is about to drop, and then nothing ruins the vibe faster than Siri reading out a text message right over your audio. It's a cool feature, but sometimes you just want silence. Hi everyone, I'm Anna, and welcome back to For Real, where we give you the real tech tips you actually need. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop your AirPods from reading your text messages on your iPhone or iPad. I'll show you the quick permanent fix, but stick around because I'm also going to show you a hidden control center hack to toggle this on and off instantly without digging through menus. Let's get into it. Before we dive into the settings, did you know this feature is officially called Announce Notifications? It was introduced with iOS 13. Before that, Siri was pretty quiet unless you asked her something directly. Now, she's a bit of a chatterbox. All right, grab your iPhone. This is the permanent way to turn this feature off if you never want to hear a text message again. Go ahead and tap to open your settings to your app. It's the gray gear icon we all know and love. From the main menu, you want to find Notifications. It's usually in the second block of options. Tap on that. Now ignore the list of apps for a second. Scroll down until you see the Hi Siri section. You're looking for the tab that says Announce Notifications. This is the master switchboard for Siri's voice in your ear. Tap that. Okay, here is where people get confused. You could turn off the main toggle at the top, but that kills announcements for everything. Calls, calendar alerts, everything. If you just want to stop the text, look at the section called Announce Notifications from. Scroll down and find Messages. Tap on it. Finally, just tap that toggle next to Announce Notifications so it turns from green to gray. Boom, done. Siri can no longer read your text. You are officially in the quiet zone. Now, hold on a second. What if you're waiting for an emergency text from your spouse or your boss, but you don't want to hear spam texts? You don't have to turn it off completely. Apple actually gave us a happy medium setting that most people miss. Let's go back into that Messages menu we were just in. If you leave the toggle on, look at the options below. You can select Recents, Contacts, or my personal favorite, Favorites. If you select Favorites, Siri will keep her mouth shut unless the text is from someone on your VIP list in your phone contacts. This is a game changer for focus without anxiety. Here's a weird one for you. Did you know the original American voice of Siri, Susan Bennett, didn't even know she was recording for Apple? She recorded thousands of phrases for a generic text-to-speech project in 2005, and years later, she heard her own voice coming out of the iPhone 4S. Imagine that surprise. Okay, I promised you a shortcut, and this is what I use every single day. Let's say you usually like announcements, but for the next 30 minutes, you're in a library or a meeting and you need temporary silence. You don't want to dig through 5 layers of settings menus. Go to Settings and tap Control Center. Scroll down to the More Controls section and find Announce Notifications. It looks like a little red bell with sound waves. Tap the green ++ button next to it. Now swipe down from the top right of your screen or up from the bottom on older iPhones. See that bell icon? You can now just tap that once to mute Siri for everything for the day, or tap it again to turn her back on. It's a 1-second fix. 1. Focus modes. Check your work or driving focus settings, as those have their own overrides. 2. Headphone accommodations. Sometimes accessibility settings can override standard notification settings. If this video saved you a headache, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And let me know in the comments, do you keep Siri announcements on for anything? Or is she totally muted? I'm curious. Don't forget to subscribe for more real tech tips. I'm Anna, this is For Real, and I'll see you in the next one.